all of the days that we have to be apart. You